Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? Today's video spring and rainy. I am so tired of rainy. So today's look is going to be a more colorful. It's going to be a really sparkly, glittery, super glam look. It's also going to be very affordable. About 98% of the products that I am gonna use today are more affordable, more available Nika. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching and let's just start this video without wasting any more time. So first of all, I am going to apply a Rainy Bollywood Filter Primer to prep my skin. I'm gonna start off with some concealer. I'm gonna use that is my Maybelline concealer. Today concealer I'm using the shade for a medium, and you don't want to use a very thick layer of concealer. You just want to have something that will even out of your skin tone. For today's look, eyeshadow that I am gonna use for today's look will be from this Pop-Up palette. I'll first start off mixing this color here, the pink out and purple. That and I am placing those color in my crease. Don't feel like you need to apply this color perfectly. It can be a little bit more messy. Even if it goes on your eyelid, it's not that big deal. This is going to be our transition color, but it's also going to be our guideline. So I know that I shouldn't bring the glitter above that color. Look how pretty is this color. It kind of reminds me of spring and summer. It's so fresh. Now you can take a nice clean blending brush. This step is definitely not necessary, but I like doing it because I feel like it makes okay. I don't over exaggerate. I was about to say I feel like it makes a huge difference. It's not that huge of a difference, but it does make a difference. So you wanna take a nice clean blending brush and go over that color, circular motion, and it will make the color look a little bit more diffused. It will soften it up a little bit more. So before I added the glitter, I am actually gonna clean out the shape of the half cut crease with some concealer.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full.
And then I am gonna go ahead and add the glitter. So in the inner corner of my eye, in the inner third, I am adding the gold glitter, and right next to it in the center of my eye, I am adding the purple glitter. You have to be a little bit quick here.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, so next I am gonna switch to a very small thin flat brush, and again I am gonna take a nice mixture of these two colors from that Pop-Up palette, this darker purple shade, and I will very carefully apply those color right here so that I can create a nice sharp line and define the half cut crease. Next up, let's add some black in the outer corner so that we can make the look a little bit more. You find I want to make it look more extended, so I will take the black eyeshadow and apply it. Next for eyebrows, I'll be using same eyeshadow palette and take the black shade. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Next for a foundation, today I'll be using my Glam Super Serum Full Coverage Foundation shade 220. And I'll using brush to apply a foundation. Always you actually don't need to use a lot of this foundation. It just gives the really good coverage, guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face.
I know what I'm supposed to do. What I'm supposed to do. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking down the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so cool, get out of my life. I know what
I'm going to use a little bit of concealer in all the acne scars, pimple, dark areas of my face, basically all these areas, and I'm going to use a blending pack sponge. Always damp in the sponge, guys, do not use it dry, just put it under running water, squeeze out all the excess water and only then use it. Under my eyes, I always dab the sponge, I don't drag it.
What I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool, I know what I'm supposed to do. Naked. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush, I am going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base lightly with it. I am using Sugar Cosmetic Contour Stick and I am lightly contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here.
What I'm supposed to do. Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using Sugar Cosmetic Blush Palette. I'm going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it, one at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so fool.
Now next to highlighter my face, I'll be using the same highlighter Swiss Beauty and I'm just going to highlight all the high points on my face. This is such a nice highlighter, guys. It's like a beautiful highlighter.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Now next for a lip, I'll be using Nykaa Mini Lipstick shade Dark Brown, one of my favorite nude shade.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Lastly, I am going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara shade Black.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
That's it. This is the final Glamour's makeup look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload new YouTube video in my channel. Follow for more updates on my Instagram account. Bye bye. Love you all.